shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to 2020 and welcome to Wolf Ridge Woodworking. So happy that you're able to join me today. I know I've been absent for a while, but I just wanted to make a quick video and kind of let you guys know what's been going on. Very excited about what the year has to offer. You'll notice that I'm standing in front of a new bench. This is something that I've been doing since I saw you last. I built a new station to be able to do resin things and things like that. It has a 1/8 inch HDPE top so that the resin doesn't stick. I don't have to roll out the silicone mat and I can just scrape off whatever resin sticks to it or doesn't stick to it in this case. So that's kind of one of the things that I've been doing since I saw you last. So some of the other things that I've been up to is I really want to expand what I do in the following year, projects wise. I've been doing mainly turning projects, but I really want to expand and go into some other skills that I want to learn with doing, some more flat work, doing some slabs. I've got a couple of slabs I want to do something with, like I want to build my son a headboard for his bed. I want to make some tables out of those. I want to do some dovetail joinery and just some different things to really expand on my woodworking ability. So in order to do that, one of the things that I need to have my shop more organized. I'm in a 3-car garage. I'm taking up about 2 parts of that garage, and a couple of years ago I built an off-road trailer, and I still have the piece of plywood up on sawhorses where everything kind of just has been sitting since I built it, and when I need a piece of equipment I go and grab it through everything, put it on a table, use it, and then go put it away. So I wanted to organize my shop a little bit more. So what I've been building is some furniture, and I'll show you that here in just a minute, but some more shop furniture. Everything's on casters so that I can wheel things around, get rid of that big table in the middle, still got to do that, but just have my shop better organized so that I can take on some of these larger projects. Some of the other things that I've been wanting to experiment with, and a lot of videos I've been watching lately, is around knife making. So I'm not going to become a blacksmith. We're not going to convert the channel over to blacksmithing, but I do want to do some experimenting with creating knives from like tool steel, not forging so much, but just kind of cutting it out, shaping it, grinding it, and things like that to make some knives. And then along with that is some leather crafts, so making of sheaths for that, maybe with leather or maybe with kydex. I think that's how you say it. But those are just some of the things that I want to do and venture into in 2020. So I've been quiet building all of these things, trying to get ready for the new year. So with that, let me take you around and show you some of those things that I've been doing. So one of the first things that I needed to do was build a outfeed table that would allow me to break down larger sheets of plywood. So that was the first thing that I built, was this outfeed table / assembly table. I built this off of plans from Brad over at Fix This Build That, and I'll put the links down to that those plans down in the description. So you'll have to excuse the mess. I'm still, like I said, in the process of making things and cleaning things. But so one of the things that I built to save space was this flip top table that holds my planer and it holds my oscillating sander down below, and it's on a flip top. And again, this was built from plans from Fix This Build That. I'll include those down in the description also. So what you do is you unscrew the 4 knobs on each corner and rotate the eye bolt out, and the thing flips over, and you can have 2 pieces of equipment on one stand. And then if I can show it, yeah, there it is. There's a drawer down below, and that's where I store all of the spindles and everything for the oscillating sander. So next was a miter saw station. So with this miter saw station, it has wings that can collapse, or you can bring them up with the wings when you're using it. It's got a storage underneath where I put some smaller cutoffs, and then some of the larger hardwood cutoffs are there below. And then the station that I usually sit in front of when I introduce the videos is now the stand for my jointer. So that is going to come in handy. I did replace the 2-inch casters with 3-inch casters to make it roll a little bit easier. So there's that teardrop trailer that I built a couple of years ago. Still a work in progress, but I need to get rid of this table here. Please excuse the mess. It's mainly just scraps and a couple of welders that I've got to build a cart for, but that's kind of where we're at. Eventually all of this will get pushed up against a temporary wall that I'm going to install. So it kind of gives you an idea of what my shop does look like. So let's get repositioned over there. Okay, so that is going to wrap up today's video. Again, just a really quick video to kind of let you know where I've been and kind of what I want to do with the channel in the upcoming year. And if you're here just for the turning, still going to be doing a lot of that. But again, like I said, I just want to start to expand and do some other things also. So I hope you'll stick along and see this journey. If you're new to the channel, if you've been there and you don't know kind of why I'm doing this, is I'm new to all this. I've only been turning a little over a year. I've done some woodworking in the past, but nothing that you would write home about, so to speak. So this is really kind of me, you know, videoing my experience and helping, or hoping I should say, to help others go through what I'm going through, so that they can learn from my successes and my failures. So hopefully you'll stick around and be able to see this journey with me. So that's going to wrap it up. If this is your first time here, you want to see other videos where I'm actually making something, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, if you're interested in some of the things I've got coming up, click up here to become a subscriber. Click that bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.